Good morning everybody, this is Tanner and Willa, Rissa behind the camera. Today is part 2 of our Iceland adventure road trip. If you haven't seen part 1 already, go ahead and click on that video. We explored the Golden Circle. Today we are on the Ring Road on our first stop at this magnificent beauty. We are so excited everybody. It is sunny, it is warm. We finally have got the chill off from this morning and we're excited to go hike around this beautiful waterfall. Today we have a lot of exciting and breathtaking views to see anywhere in Iceland. Any rock is breathtaking around here, but we cannot wait to have you guys join us.
Gotta stand up, gotta clear your eyes, gotta walk on to the other side, let a new song feel your mind, bring the brave to there's a wild world waiting on, full of wonder, rage and fire. You see it all laid out before you. Come alive, come alive, come alive, come alive.
Just climbed up the steps to see the view from down of the waterfall. Turns out it's a hiking trail, so that's pretty cool if you're up for that.
There's a window in a wooden room full of yellow crashing morning bloom. It's a great call and it's pulling you. Oh, don't close your eyes. There's a wild world waiting on you, full of wonder, rage and fire. See it all laid out before you. Come alive, come alive, come alive, come alive. Take a step and let your spirit breathe. Surrender all these marks to mystery. Life in you, it begs to be set free. There's a wild world waiting on you, full of wonder, rage and fire. See it all laid out before you. Come alive, 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 come alive.
Here it comes.
You got it!
Good job! It is 10 o'clock at night and the sun is dipping, not really setting. Today's been a blast. All of the waterfalls were amazing and now it's time to relax. We are here enjoying a nice little game of cards before we hit bed. It was a blast seeing the glaciers, going on our boat tour, and then going to Diamond Beach to see the ice get washed up on the shore. Amazing waterfall-filled day. Iceland ceases to amaze.
I won!
Good morning, everybody. We are on day 4 of our travels here in Iceland, and it has been a great start so far. We said we would sleep in and we would take a slow morning, and about 6:15 is when we woke up. Not to our fault. But we're off to a great day, and it started to be really cloudy on the other side, and then we came through this tunnel on the mountain, and wow, it just like cleared up. Just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of a perspective of what we're doing here. We hope things clear up because there are some beautiful sights from what we've seen on pictures, and we really want to see them and hope that this fog/clouds don't come in here and just throw it in. But anyway, we're going to be seeing some waterfalls, going on some couple hikes, and then really taking it easy as we climb up the east side of Iceland.
Willow, you're gonna watch Daddy? Are you the spectator? She's like, I'm getting carried by my dad. I'm eating strawberries. I'm in Iceland. You're a pretty happy camper, Willa. What are you doing?
I'm going swimming.
This is cold water.
Oh man. Okay, don't think about it. Go for it.
Oh my gosh!
Well, that's not as bad as I thought. Hey, what are you laughing at? That wasn't as bad as Daddy thought.
You want your towel?
No, it's actually so good. Oh, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's freezing. Oh yeah, that's cold actually. That was the perfect way to do it.
Who needs a Montessori table when you've got nature? Huh.
So we have no idea how to pronounce these places, but we are in between Egilsstaðir and Seyðisfjörður. I know that sounded more French than it probably is, but we are on our way to our camping site, and this place is absolutely amazing. You go up and over the mountain pass, and then for several kilometers you're just like up in this mountain tundra, and there's so much water. There's a lot of snow still up here. It looks like there's a ski resort of some sorts that's up here during the winter, and just can't believe how much water there is. How is it? Huh? Is there a lot of agua? Yeah, so much, huh? But very beautiful. Highly recommend that you take this pass to come over and see this part of the island.
searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I tend to get. Won't rest until I make it right. Couldn't stand the thought of losing her before time had come. Like a storm outraged that night.
You guys, I cannot believe the views that we've been seeing. It seems like everywhere we go in Iceland, it leaves us speechless every time, and this place is definitely no exception. I mean, just a look behind me and it's like, what? How do places like this even exist? It's crazy. A moment of silence for this view. Wow. We're seriously so grateful to be here. We know that we are so blessed and privileged to be able to experience this, and we are so happy to be here, so grateful. 1 week is not going to be enough here, but we are trying to embrace and take advantage of all of our time here and just be present.
Oh, this house with my own to rent, so you can make it out. So you can make it out.